Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you the best SteelSeries settings for Enlisted game. So it is pretty simple and easy to use. Just go to my description and click on the link, or just put a link in the browser. As you can see, if you put the link, you will get this message and your configuration will be imported to your sonar. I will go through these little points so you will be able to pause the video and set them right. And the bass at 1.5. You can make it at 2 for Enlisted, and the treble at -3. And spatial audio, it is your own preference. You can use that if you are using at -7, and make sure that the distance is about 70. So that's how you use a spatial audio. If you like it, you can use it. If you don't use it. And for volume boost, it is gain at 0 decibels and smart volume is turned off. So that's pretty much it. That's the settings for Enlisted game in SteelSeries Sonar.